Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites and beginning the connection. First, power on the Lifx bulb and open the Lifx app. You need it to claim the device and push firmware. Make sure your phone is on the same too. 4 GHz Wi-Fi network as the bulb. Homekit requires local discovery. Once the bulb appears, add it in the Lifx app so the device is visible. This step is the bridge. Without it, Homekit cannot discover the light and pair properly. Now you add the Lifx bulb into Homekit. Open the Home app, tap the plus, and choose Add Accessory. Homekit will scan for local devices. If the bulb shows, scan the Homekit setup code on the bulb or its packaging. If not, select Don't Have Code and follow prompts to authorize via the Lifx app. Assign a clear name and room so Siri and automations target it correctly. Make sure to test on /off and brightness to confirm two-way control is active. Finish by validating behavior and covering a key troubleshooting tip. Confirm remote access by checking your Home Hub status. Apple TV, HomePod, or an always-on iPad must be listed as Home Hub for remote control. If the bulb misbehaves, update firmware in the Lifx app and reboot the bulb and router. Network conflicts often block discovery. If problems persist, perform a factory reset on the bulb, then re-add it to Lifx and Homekit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.